Hi everyone. I never thought I'd be the person talking this much about a toilet, but after living with a smart toilet, going back to a standard one feels strangely outdated. Today I'm sharing my personal experience with this smart toilet, and if you're thinking about upgrading your bathroom, this is one of those products that looks simple at first, but completely changes the daily routine once it's installed. The first thing that stood out to me was the design. Visually, it has that clean, modern one-piece look that instantly makes the bathroom feel more high-end. It doesn't look bulky or awkward. It has a sleek white finish, a smooth shape, and a very minimal style that fits well in a modern bathroom setup. If you're imagining a bathroom upgrade where the toilet doesn't just function better, but also makes the space look more polished, this definitely delivers that effect. Installation was easier than I expected, but I do want to be clear. It is not exactly the same as installing a basic standard toilet. Because this is a smart toilet, you do need access to power nearby, and the space behind and around the toilet matters. It is also a deeper unit, so measuring the bathroom area before installing is important. Once everything is lined up properly, the actual installation process is pretty straightforward. In my case, it didn't feel overly complicated, but I would still recommend planning ahead rather than treating it like a quick swap. Once installed, the first feature I noticed every single day was the automatic lid. Walking into the bathroom and having the lid open without touching anything feels futuristic at first, and then very quickly, it becomes normal. After a while, touching a toilet lid manually starts to feel unnecessary. The motion sensor has worked consistently for me, and I like how hands-free the experience is overall. The heated seat is another feature that sounds like a small luxury until you use it regularly. On colder mornings especially, it makes a big difference. You can adjust the heat level, which is nice because not everyone wants the same temperature. The warm water bidet function is also one of the biggest reasons this toilet feels like a real upgrade. The water is not cold, and while the temperature can sometimes feel more warm or lukewarm than hot, it is still far more comfortable than a basic bidet setup. The bidet function itself works well and adds a much cleaner, fresher feeling after use. If you've used a separate bidet attachment before, this feels more integrated and more premium. Everything is built into the toilet, controlled through the remote, and the whole process feels smoother. The automatic flushing is very convenient too. After standing up, it flushes on its own, and there is also cleaning action before and after use. I really like that because it keeps the bowl looking cleaner for longer. In normal daily use, I found that it doesn't need as much scrubbing as a standard toilet. The flush is strong, and it does a good job clearing the bowl, but this is also one area where I'll mention a minor downside. The flush is not silent. It's not unbearably loud, but if you're used to a traditional toilet, the sound can take some getting used to. I personally would not place this in a bathroom right next to a bedroom if noise at night is a concern. The nightlight is a small feature, but it's one I appreciate more than I expected. At night, it gives just enough visibility without needing to turn on the main bathroom light. It adds to the high-tech feeling, but it's also practical. The remote control is easy to understand and makes the features simple to use. You can control the bidet, dryer, flushing, and temperature settings from it. There is also a display that helps make adjustments feel straightforward. I like having the remote nearby instead of needing to reach around awkwardly. One small issue is that the stick-on remote holder may not stay secure on every wall surface, so depending on your bathroom wall finish, you might need a better mounting solution. Now about the dryer. This is one feature where expectations matter. The warm air dryer works, and it is convenient, but I would not say it instantly replaces toilet paper for everyone. If you expect it to fully dry you very quickly, you may be disappointed. It takes time, and depending on how you use it, it may feel weaker than expected. For me, it's a nice feature to have, but not the main reason I like the toilet. Another thing to know is that some features are always active, unless adjusted through the available settings. The heated seat can be turned down, but the automatic lid and sensor behavior may not be ideal for everyone. If you have pets, this is worth thinking about, because a curious cat or dog may trigger the lid and treat it like a drinking fountain. That may sound funny, but it can become annoying if your bathroom is easy for pets to access. Customer support has been a strong point in my experience. The manual is clear, and when questions came up, support was responsive and helpful through messaging and email. I also like that if an issue happens, they don't just disappear. Getting guidance, videos, or help with a replacement part makes a big difference with a product like this. Overall, this smart toilet feels like a major bathroom upgrade. The heated seat, warm water bidet, Automatic lid, automatic flushing, nightlight, self-cleaning feel, and modern design all come together to create a much more comfortable experience than a standard toilet. It feels luxurious without feeling unnecessarily complicated. It is not perfect. The flush can be noisy, the dryer may not satisfy everyone, but overall, it's a solid upgrade. The remote holder can be better, and pet owners should think carefully about the automatic lid. But for comfort, convenience, hygiene, and overall value, I think it is absolutely worth considering if you want a smarter, more modern bathroom setup. If you have any questions about this product, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day.